Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another interesting video. Today we'll be making this delicious healthy butternut squash recipe that is super delicious and easy to make, guys, so you keep watching. Alright guys, we are starting with the butternut squash. This is it and this is what it looks like. So you go ahead and wash it, okay? And cut it, divide it into two, just like you're watching me do. Do you know the butternut squash is not just only tasty, but also nutritious? Yes. Butternut squash is a great source of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C. It doesn't stop there. It also helps to boost your immunity, support your heart and digestive health, weight management, and lots more. So you see, guys, it's a very healthy meal, and I will advise you include it in your meal plan or your food timetable. All right. Let's continue, guys. So once you've cut it open, go on and deseed them, okay? Get rid of the seeds. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Oma Sport. Here we cook, we bake, we do everything edible. So please do well to be part of this amazing family. Please hit the subscription button. Also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you. Alright guys, we are done deseeding. Please do not discard the seeds. You can go ahead and roast them and use it for snacking. Use it for your salad, for your oatmeal or your cereal. It is healthy. Now transfer the butternut squash on a baking tray. Yes, and pop into your oven. We are going to roast on a medium heat. Yes. Alright guys, it is time to prep for other ingredients, okay? Here we'll have 3 long sweet peppers and 4 medium-sized tomatoes. So we're going to go ahead and wash them, transfer in a blender, and blend. Shout out to my newest subscribers. I am so super excited to have you guys on board. And to my returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family, you all are welcome back again to our channel. Yes, I really want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for your massive love and support. Please keep it up, okay? Your girl is grateful. Alright guys, so moving on to the next step. Get a clean bowl and some eggs. Yes, we'll be making use of eggs in this recipe. So you go ahead and crack in 4 eggs or more, but we're using 4 eggs, yes. Add a pinch of salt and a half teaspoon of mixed herbs to it and whisk, okay? Done. So you set it aside. Moving on to the next step. Get your chopping board. It is time to slice our onions. Wash your onions, get the hard back off and transfer on your chopping board and slice. You can use more than this, yes. So guys, at this point, we are done slicing. Go ahead and transfer in a clean plate or a clean tray. Alright, done. Please set it aside, okay? Now, let's move on to the next step. Get your vegetable. Yes, we are making use of spinach. You can use fruited pumpkin leaf or kale leaves, whichever leafy green you have or you want. Okay, it is based on your preference, but we're gonna be using spinach in this recipe. So you go ahead and wash your spinach and transfer on your chopping board and slice them just like you're watching me do, okay? Please note that you can use more than this. Yes, you can use more spinach, more leafy greens. But remember that you have to increase other ingredients as well. It is very advisable that you prep your ingredient before cooking. Yes, in that way it becomes easier. So this is us prepping the last ingredients. Yes. And at this point, guys, we're done cutting. So please set it aside, okay? Now, moving on to the main cooking. In a clean pan, go in with some vegetable oil. Once it is heated, go in with your diced onions. Stir and allow it to fry until flavorful or for just a minute. This is after a minute, so guys, go on and stir it. Now introduce your blended pepper and tomato mix, okay? And nicely stir to well combine. We are going to allow it to fry until dry. And how do you know your tomato is well fried? Look out when oil starts floating on it, okay? Alright guys, this is us checking after a few minutes. We are still frying. It is not yet dry. Checking back again after a few minutes, and at this point guys, it is almost dry. So go on and add some salt and your seasoning and stir to well combine. Now let's allow it fry some more. You want it completely dry, okay? This is us checking back again, and at this point guys, it is dry. Now gently introduce your whisked egg and make sure you are frying on low heat, okay? Adjust it gently. Remember, you are frying on low heat, okay? We don't want it burnt. And if you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do, okay? Support your girl by liking this video and as well subscribe. It is totally free. Please support your girl. I will be waiting. Thank you. Now, go in with some Scotch bonnet. Yes, blended, just to give it some hotness, okay? If you want it more spicy, increase your peppers. If you do not want, minimize it, all right? Okay, guys, after a few seconds, now introduce your spinach. Yes. Garnish it up with your spinach and nicely stir it. Oh my, it looks so delicious, guys. Very nutritious, and it is so ready. Now, here is our butternut squash, the one we roasted. Guys, it is well roasted, very soft and tender, as you can see. It is time to plate our dish, guys, so you stick around and dish it with me. Oh my, I'm sure you are salivating already. Yes, I know. This is looking so yummy. For those of you on a weight loss journey, this meal is for you. Do not sleep on it. Yes. Oh my, it looks so delicious, guys. Please give it a go, all right? And let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. And there you have it, guys. Our sweet, soft, tender butternut squash loaded with spinach and egg sauce is set. Look at that. Oh my. It looks super delicious and it tastes so good, guys. Please give it a go, okay? Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and follow for more tasty recipes. See ya!